Hey guys, it's me, Risa. I'm excited to teach you one of the things that I've been eating on intermittent fasting. It's not a diet, that's number one. And we're going to learn how to make cinnamon French toast. I know, with some turkey sausages. You don't like it, you don't have to have the sausages. You can make whatever you like. But I like having a balanced, well-rounded meal with my low carbs, high protein, and of course, I have some fruit. So again, it's not a diet. I keep telling people that, but I'm still on WW, Wellness That Works, or, Weight Watchers that I always call it. So what are you going to need? First of all, I like using a lower carb bread, and it's called Betty Light. 2 slices is 2 smart points. Okay, and you can get whatever bread or brand that you can find in your local grocery store. In Canada here, it's at the low carb grocery store in Markham or in Newmarket, and they ship in Canada as well. All right, and I don't work for them. Okay. The other thing is I'm going to use 1 extra large egg. I'm using a 1/4 cup of some egg whites. You want to use 2 eggs, you can do that. A 1/4 cup of skim or 1% milk, and a splash of some vanilla, a splash of cinnamon, and of course a little bit of salt, a little splash of lemon, all right, because it's going to taste really good. For the sausages, I buy the Lilydale turkey sausages, which I already have cooking here. So I got that started because you know how to cook them. You just put them in a pan, right? So for 3 of them, it's 110 calories, 1.5 fat, 1 gram of sugar, and 15 grams of protein. 15 grams, all right? So, I'll show you it this way, all right? Again, whatever brand you can find, turkey. I've never seen chicken sausages, but turkey sausages. The beef ones are going to be a higher fat. I don't do keto, I do WW, but I like to do a lower carb, all right? That's what I like to do. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to make this. My pan is a bit hot, so I'm just going to turn it down to low, and I'm going to use a little bit of flavored butter spray. Okay, and I'm turning it down, and hopefully I'll put the fan on. Okay, so 1 egg. Crack 1 egg. Add my 1/4 cup of egg whites, a 1/4 cup of milk, a little bit of, I love Himalayan sea salt, pink salt, just a little bit. A splash of lemon, maybe a teaspoon. Some fresh lemon gives it some nice flavor. And I'm going to say about a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, you like more. And for the cinnamon French toasts, some cinnamon, of course. And you can add some cinnamon afterwards as well. Super duper easy. Just whisk it. Just want to show you to whisk it up. All right, have your pan, your skillet at a medium-high heat. And I'm putting in, for my husband, he's having cinnamon rolls. My daughter is too, with her friend. So I'm going to time that for them. And so this is super easy. Just mix that up. Dunk your bread. Okay, and I have my sausages cooking. Just going to add that. That's 1. And you're going to cook it probably a couple minutes on either side, how brown you like it, how crispy you like it. Okay, and I don't like to waste this. I like to just add it on the side. Okay, now I need to wipe my hands. So again, the intermittent fasting is going well for me, but I always tell people that they need to do what's best for them, okay? Just turning up the heat. Turning up the heat, people. And you're going to need a spatula. So it's not a diet. I am not an expert or a doctor. I'm just telling you what's worked for me. So I've been on it for 8 weeks, depending on when you're watching this video. And I'm down 17 pounds. So, and I do the 18-6. The longer you fast, the longer the fat cells, the insulin levels will break down. So some people like doing OMAD, which is 1 day a meal. I do 2 meals with some snacks, and your window of when you eat is up to you. So I like doing 12:30 because that's when my lunch is, till 8:30 because I like to eat later and have my little snacks. The biggest reason I started it was because I'm a night snacker. And I wanted to stop doing that because I just wasn't losing. I did well on WW, Wellness That Works, for a long time. But, you know, I wanted to shake it up a little bit. And I tried this. Some people fast every other day. Some people do a 20-hour fast. Some days I do an 18-hour or a 20-hour fast, depending if I'm home. If I'm at work, it's hard. Okay, so... Okay, we've got some extra egg happening here. I'm just going to move it to the side because I love the extra egg. And now I'm just going to add a little bit more spray butter. And you can use I Can't Believe It's Not Light butter if you want, or whatever cooking spray you want. And I'm just going to show you. Look at that on one side. And then I just have some extra egg for extra protein. Okay? And my sausages are cooking up nicely. I'll just show you the 3 little sausages and their turkey. Okay? I'm just going to turn that down. I'm just going to spray it. Because I like it, and don't keep patting it. Some people, when they're making French toast, they think that they have to keep patting it. Don't pat it. Just let it be, okay? Let it be, let it be. I love the Beatles. So just let it, it'll puff up. It'll give just like that nice texture, all right? That's how I like it, all right? And of course, afterwards, you can find whatever sugar-free syrup or regular syrup, agave, and you could put some light Cool Whip or whipped cream. Let's see what I have in my fridge. Let's see. I think I have something here. Yes, I do. And you could make your own whipped cream. It's actually quite easy. And I love this. So it's really low for 4 tablespoons, 30 calories, 1 saturated fat, 2 sugars, and 1 protein. And I believe it's like 1 smart point for that. It's really, really low. So, you know, again, you find what you like to have with it. And also with the intermittent, you can have a small meal first, just break it with whatever you want, and then eat a half an hour later. Again, it doesn't matter. I do a clean fast, people. Some people do what's called a dirty fast. I don't do that. I have nothing in my drinks, okay? Just some Himalayan salt. And they say that if you do a dirty fast, that you eventually, it catches up with you and you plateau. So again, check with your doctor, check with, you know, if whether or not this is a good thing for you. It's not for everybody. Not everybody can do this. So, you know, I'm promoting what's best for yourself, okay? So let's check our French toast here. I think it's really, it's done. Yeah, it's done. Just a few minutes like you saw on either side. I'm just gonna bring it over here. I just came from a boot camp workout. That's another thing. Shake your exercise up too. Try different things. Don't be afraid. Okay, and there's that little bit of egg and my sausages. And dun da da da. I know, yummy, high protein, lower carb, fruit. Okay, well balanced. Sometimes I have this for lunch, brunch, dinner. Okay, you can have this for dinner. Why not? And I always usually have some vegetables. We're going to our friends tonight. I made a nice veggie platter. So don't worry, I'll be getting in my veggies as well in the afternoon. That's a great snack, okay? You know that I like to give you lots of tips when I do these recipes for you guys. So this will be 3, 4, 5 points for WW, if you're counting your points, all right? And if you're having some whipped cream, 6 points. So it depends what you add. You want to add a little bit of whipped cream on the side. You can do that, or on your fruit like that, and make it super yummy. So I hope this recipe was helpful for you guys on intermittent or WW or any health journey. It doesn't matter. Do what's good for you, all right? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share with anybody, everybody. They don't have to just be on WW. My group for extra support, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. And love you guys. Please like and comment, okay? I love seeing it. Take care. Bye for now. Mwah. Tag me if you do any of my recipes. You make them, all right? Love seeing your posts. Take care.